What's up guys, in this video we are going to see the top 3 mobile accessory gadget that you can buy for less than 200 rupees. Hello guys, if it's your first time here, do consider subscribing to our channel and also hit that notification bell icon so you never miss any update when a video goes live here. With that being said, let's get started. So before getting to the products, all the product links will be down in the description below. If you would like to support our channel, do consider buying it from there. Let's get started. The first product in our list is called as the ring stand, or officially called as the ring holder. Usually all our smartphones have the plastic panel at the back side or even the metal body, which makes the phone very slippery from your hand. So this particular gadget is going to be really interesting and also very useful when you stick this at the back of your mobile. This particular product has this sticky type and also this holder so that this can be stuck at the back of your mobile. Here you can see I have this plastic panel mobile device which is also very slippery, so that I can stick this device at the back of my mobile. Just see the placement where you want to stick and just peel off the cover at the top of this product. Once done, just see the place where you can fit this so that it will be very comfortable for you to hold this mobile device. Once stuck, this will be very grip and it will never come out of your mobile at any point in time. Now all is said, all you need to do is put into your finger and you can start using. Once you wear a ring, it's all set. You need not worry that your mobile is going to fall down at any point in time from your hand. You can start using mobile at normal usage like this. Now I am trying at different positions and also I have tried in different set of angles, but this particular device did not disappoint me. This particular gadget I bought it from Amazon at the price of 250 rupees, and also you can adjust its angle at any size. Definitely a worthy product to try out. The second product is called as the mobile joystick. Usually you would have seen these kinds of joystick for your PlayStation or even for your computers, but bringing these kinds of joystick for your mobile device makes your smartphone gaming to a next level. Here you can see this product is bought for 250 rupees in Amazon. So here they give two kinds of joystick here. Both have air cups and also a button at the center which is very flexible and also it's very movable. Let me tell you how to fix these joysticks to your mobile screen as the video progresses. Just open the game which you wanted to play and just keep this joystick over the screen and press these air caps at the top so that this sticks to your screen and it never falls down. Once you are stuck, it's all done. Then it's time to stick the next joystick to other part of the screen so that you can play the game as usual. Now it's all set and now you're all done. Now you all need to do is adjust the button at the center so that the game progresses. Now here you can see the car is moving as I'm pressing the button. This type of joystick can be used for most of the arcade games out there. Definitely a worthy and cool product to try out for 250 rupees for your smartphone. Definitely give a try. The next product is called as the OK stand. This is also an interesting and a cool product which you can get around 250 rupees. Let's open the box and see what it has. This is a holder of your mobile device. Here you can see this handcuff where you can keep your smartphone in between the hands of these. If you are a person who watches movie for a long time just by holding your smartphone in your hand, then this product is definitely going to be a lifesaver. All you need to do is fix this smartphone in between the palm of this product and rest all is taken care by this. Now you can enjoy your favorite movies or even listen to your favorite song just by keeping your smartphone within this product and you're all set to go. Definitely a worthy product to buy for 250 rupees. Hope you guys have found all these 3 products very interesting. If so, give this video a huge thumbs up and also share this with your friends. Let me catch you guys in the next awesome video. With that being said, I'm Gautam and I'm signing out.